All right, guys, so what we're going to do here is we're going to, I can turn off this sketch. There we go. That looks better, right? Just turned off some sketches. So we're going to finish this up. So I want a technical drawing with an exploded view in it. That means something. So now that you've assembled everything and you're looking good, you're going to go over here to where it says design, that drop down, and you're going to go to what's called animation. I'm going to click on the house over here so that it kind of zooms in and makes everything look pretty. Because whatever direction you have this in is what it's going to be when you make it. You're going to go up here to this transform and down to manually explode or manual explode. And you get these arrows. Now we want this to go straight up. So I'm going to click on the up arrow. And then I'm going to go over here to this explosion scale and zoom it up. Zoomy. And then hit check. So if you had a bunch of parts, if you had screws and nuts and bolts and whatever, you would have all that stuff kind of sticking out. You could see where things go together. That's the point of an exploded view. I'm going to hit save. This is important. You must hit save. Okay. Now, if I were to go back into design, everything would look normal, right? And then when I go to animation, I can see that that's where that's at. So now I'm going to go here to drawing, and I'm going to say drawing from design. And if you did everything correctly earlier on in the year, you're going to come here and instead of from scratch, you're going to have your like demo sheet option. If you don't have it, just do the from scratch. Okay, hit OK. And it brings in your drawing. Now mine has, it brought in my assembly right here. I'm going to go over here to, if it's just your base view and you have to click it down, just click it down. Go to projected view. I'm going to click on this original and then go straight up and then over. I want to make sure that the one that goes over, I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard so that I'm done with that. I want to make sure my name is the one showing. So if it happens to be in the other direction, go left, okay? But I need the 3. And then what I want is I'm going to go back to that base view, click on where it says the model drop down and go to storyboard. And now I can bring in that exploded view that I did. See how cool that is? So hit OK. And now it's looking like a nice technical drawing that shows things. Now, there is one other thing that we have to do. You have to have dimensions. So go to your dimensions and then click on things to give you good dimensions. So like I might do like left, right, this. I don't know. Right, left, right. But straighten it out. Oh, I hate when it's crooked. Come on. There we go. All right. Everything should have some sort of dimension on it. You can see my numbers are odd. It's because it's in inches. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that. Right? We've been doing everything in millimeters, so it's weird because it's like, hey, those aren't our numbers. So go to the hover, go to the sketch, the edit thing. Why won't it let me edit my numbers? There it is. Okay. So under units, I'm going to switch it to millimeters. Hit OK. And it converts everything. Everything looks good. Or should. It didn't convert it. What happened? It's being weird. Ah, it was up here in units. I don't know what that other one was. I just changed. That's okay. Hit OK. There we go. So now like I got this 32 and this 28. See, that's more what we were used to. So if I go here to here, 25, remember that? Here to here, we had 40. Let's see, where would I get 30? On here, but I have the 32. 25. Maybe what I'll do is I'll get rid of this one. Ooh, that did something weird. Select this, delete. Go from here to here. That gives me my 30. So all the numbers that we were working with, now we have, you know, numbers showing that go along, that correspond with it. So it's just kind of a neat thing to do. All right, so what you're going to do now is you're going to hit save. And when you hit save, it's going to say, it's going to bring in your drawing name, and then it's going to write drawing at the back of it. So hopefully you have assembly written there. This is what you're turning on for me, like what you're going to turn in. So you're going to go down to share, over to link, click here, wait, and then pop. Here comes your link. Click on the link. And then if we go to, I don't know that I have the assignment up, but let me pull it up for you. So if I look here, it's this one, the pre-DPC. So it's saying, we're doing this before we do something else. So if I go to the assignment itself, I can go to student view. So this is what you see, right? So we're going to put that link right in here, hit submit, and you're good to go. All right. So that's the final part. That's doing the technical drawing aspect of it. And that shows that you know what you're doing. So good luck, guys.